The soap method can clear some clogs, but it will not work for everything. When tackling a clog with soap, start by using a liquid dish soap because it has the right viscosity to lubricate the pipes without foaming excessively. Pour about 1 cup of soap into the bowl and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that the surfactants break surface tension and soften any twisted or compacted paper fibers. Add hot water carefully from waist height to create pressure and heat that helps dissolve fatty residues and loosen organic material without cracking porcelain. If the toilet still resists, use a flange plunger with steady, deep thrusts rather than quick pumps. Seal the flange fully around the outlet and push and pull for 20 to 30 seconds, while keeping the seal intact. For repeat problems, inspect the trapway with a mirror and a flashlight to confirm whether the blockage is soft matter near the bowl or a solid object further down. When the clog is recurrent, consider enzyme-based septic cleaners used according to label directions to break down organic buildup over time, while avoiding harsh chemicals that can damage plumbing finishes and septic systems. Common issues include clogs caused by solid objects where soap and hot water will not dislodge items like toys or hygiene products, and the fix is to use a toilet auger to mechanically retrieve or break the obstruction. Another problem is compacted dense blockages of mineral scale or heavy paper that resist lubrication. And for those, you need a combination of mechanical agitation and professional assessment, because persistent scale may indicate a venting or slope problem. A third concern is using water that is too hot, which can crack older porcelain or stress plastic seals. Always use hot but not boiling water, and stop if you hear cracking or see hairline fractures. We run bighomeprojects.com, and our site helps homeowners find local contractors and post questions in our discussion community to get practical feedback from people with similar projects. We also let contractors list their services and connect with potential clients so we can help both sides find each other.